You can update tracking information from many places in DesignerLogic. This can be things like acknowledgement numbers, ship dates, or the status from your workflow. If you click on the pencil icon for an item in the home page, it opens up the tracking form, and here you can see you can update all this information. You can change the status for the item, and if you want to update your status list, you can see it right here. So you can basically format your own workflow for ordering and tracking. Down here, if you check placed installed, that means it'll take it out of the tracking system because the item is already installed at the job site. This can also be done for many other places in DesignerLogic. For example, if you go to a project's main items and work list, here you'll see all the items that have been put on this project, and if they have a purchase order number in the PO column, you know it's been ordered. Hover over the three dots and simply click Update Tracking. And you can see that same tracking form. You can also go to the tracking page for a project. And here you'll see all the items that you're tracking for that project. Just click on the same little tracking button, and you'll see a more detailed form with more tracking information on it, but you can also update the same ship dates and acknowledgement numbers and whatnot that you have on that other form. Another place you can do this is if we go back to the main item list, and we decide to go directly to the purchase order by clicking on the purchase order number, and we open the PO. If you hover over the three dots here, you'll see you can update the tracking, and you can also check in the quantity specifically if you've ordered multiple quantities. That's all right here. And you can also finalize the PO and update all the tracking if you have multiple items on the purchase order that you want to check in at one time. The last place to show you how you can update tracking is if you go to the main item tracking page, and this is for all projects, and you can filter this list so you can see only what you want to see. You can just click on the tracking or check in quantity to update that information there. As well, you can click on item statuses here, and you can edit your own workflow for ordering and tracking right here.